according to professional conduct, when it comes to attorney costs and fees, I was wondering, will it be unethical for an attorney to charge their client $1,000 an hour?
Attorneys are held to a higher standard. We have ethical obligations and we owe duties to prospective clients and the public. And we have a duty to protect the reputation of the profession. When it comes to attorneys' fees, attorneys are held to a more higher standard. We owe duties even to prospective clients. And the most significant duty is the duty of honesty. That is our biggest duty. So we do have to charge reasonable fees. If there's ever a fee dispute, the courts may evaluate how intricate, how nuanced, how significant the specific issue is about in order to determine reasonable fees. And that is the standard. It has to be reasonable fees, but that is a little bit more gray depending on the certain facts and circumstances. It depends on the complexity of the matter. The more complex the case, the more reasonable the fee. Legal issues are not easy. They can be quite complex and they have significant consequences. So that justifies the fees. How unique the particular legal issue is a factor in determining the reasonableness of fees. Me personally, there are attorney morals and duties and obligations. Me personally, I take it even a step further. I always do a little bit more. I always try to be a little bit better. And I believe that I've been an attorney amongst the people. And that's the area, that's the avenue in the law that I have basically fallen into. I've always volunteered. I've always been amongst the people. I know the people of the community. So I've always been one of, in terms of a reasonable fee. That's the rule you have to cite to in the rules of professional conduct. An attorney must charge a reasonable fee. Especially with contingency fees, there's an also added element of protection to the client because we're sharing in a property that belongs to the client. With contingency fees, it's important that we make conspicuous that the fee is not set by law and is negotiable. We have to comply with the rules of professional conduct. And when we're discussing fees, financial, yes, there is more strict scrutiny. What's a fact by fact cases? It depends on the complexity of the legal matter. And generally speaking, all legal matters are complex and they have very serious consequences.